Hello students, in today's lecture we'll see a problem related to tension member. We have covered all the basics and theory regarding the tension member, and we have also studied the various design strength formulas for calculating the design tensile strength of a tension member. So today's problem will see how to calculate the design tensile strength of a particular plate with holes. So the question is determine the design tensile strength of plate 200 into 10 with holes as shown in the figure if the yield strength and the ultimate strength of the steel are used are 200 megapascal and 420 megapascal and 20 diameter of bolt holes are used. Okay, so this is a particular figure which is given in the question. As you can see, the pitch is given as 50, the gauge distance is given as 30, edge distance is given as 40, end distance end or edge distance is given as 40, gauge distance is given as 30, pitch is given as 50. It can be written as staggered pitch also, and the total width of the plate is 200 and the thickness of the plate is 10 Okay, so first we'll see the probability of failure, which means what path can be taken. First path is 1 1 1 1. First path is 1 1 1 1. As you can see, this is the first path. In the first path, there are 3 bolt holes. ठीक है, so the net area along this path can be calculated as total width is 200 माइनस 3 बोल्ट होल माइनस हो रहे हैं. बोल्ट का डाया कितना है 20 एंड इट्स होल डायमीटर कैन बी रिटेन एज 21.5 और 22 एनीथिंग यू कैन टेक. या तो आप 21.5 ले सकते हो और 20 ले सकते हो फॉर डिजाइनिंग पर्पस. हियर आई एम टेकिंग 21.5 because all calculation are according to this only, and multiply by 10 because 10 is the thickness of the plate, and after calculating the area it comes out to be 1355 square. Okay, so this is the first case. In the second case, the critical section is 1 1 1 2 2 1. That means this is the critical case. Okay, यहाँ एक बोल्ट होल, यहाँ एक बोल्ट, यहाँ एक बोल्ट और यहाँ एक बोल्ट और ये गया नीचे. So there are total 4 number of bolt holes and 1 staggered pitch is here and 1 staggered pitch is here. There are 2 staggered pitches and the gauge distance is 30. So the net area can be written as total width is 200 minus 4 number of bolt holes are there, so 4 into 21.5 plus 2 staggered pitches are there, so 2 multiply by staggered pitches 50 का square divide by 4 into g की value है 30 and this whole is multiplied by 10 because 10 is the thickness of plate. So A net in this case is calculated as 1557 square. Okay, so this is the second case. In the third case, The path is 1 1 2 3 2 1. This is the path 1 2 3 2 1. So total number of bolt holes are there 5. So total width is 200 minus 5 bolt holes are there 21.5 plus how many staggered pitches are there 1 2 3 4. 4 staggered pitches are there. So 4 multiplied by staggered pitch 50 square divided by 4 into g की value है 30 and this whole is multiplied by 10 to calculate the net area which comes out to be 1758 mm square. Okay, 1758 mm square. So this is the case. Now out of these three cases we have to take the minimum value of an. So the minimum value is 1355. So all the strength is calculated according to this net area only. Okay, so first we will see the yield strength of plate TD, yield strength of plate, which is Fy Ag upon gamma m naught. According to question, the yield strength of plate is 250. Ag value is given as 1355, which we have calculated just now, divide by 1.1. After calculating this, we got actually we have used here the net area, which is wrong. So we have to again see it. TD is equals to Ag Fy upon gamma m naught. Ag here is gross area of plate. So gross area of plate is 200 into 10. This is the gross area, which is 2000 mm square. The area which we have used wrongly in the first point, which was 1355, that was wrong because that is the net area. Here we have to use only gross area. So gross area is 200 mm square into Fy is 250 divided by 1.1. Now here the total design strength TD comes out to be 454.55 kilonewton. Okay, this is according to the yielding of plate. Now we have to see the TD according to rupture, which is 0.9 FU AN upon gamma ml. Here 0.9 into FU value is given in the question as 420. AN we have calculated 1355 divided by 1.25. And from here the TD value is calculated as 409.75, and out of these value the minimum of the two is taken as the design tensile strength of plate. Now you have to find here efficiency of plate with holes. We know with holes the strength comes out to be 409.75. This is the strength when the holes are there, but when the holes are not there the strength was 254.55. So to calculate efficiency we have to multiply it by 100 also. So the efficiency comes out to be 90%. Okay, so it is the strength with holes of the plate. So in the next lecture we will see the next numerical. Till now, thanks.